welcome to the channel, welcome to the channel. So I haven't really done a lot of these videos. I know a lot of times I say that, this is my gaming, tech channel, and I haven't done a lot of tech videos, and this is my first one in a while. The first one I did was, repairing Wii's and DS's, talking about, the idea of right to repair and that stuff. But this is going to be my first unboxing. It's going to be a little shaky. It's going to be a little messed up. I haven't done it before. I don't have an overhead cam. I have this big box, and it's not that big, but for the camera and everything, it's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to do it. So what this is, it's going to be a Google Pixel 6, and I had to get a new phone. Mine was taken from me, and I kind of waited on it, and it was kind of tougher to do because I really couldn't. I had issues going to the store just because there was a lot of questions I couldn't answer. It's me and my brother on my account. I didn't have my brother, and they're just straight questions I couldn't answer. That they're at home. It was nothing to do with anyone at the store, but I did order online, which took a little bit because it required 2 confirmation codes sent to either this number that I'm replacing and didn't have the phone, or my brother's number, which I had to wait for him to, respond. So here it is. This is from AT&T, and the first thing I want to notice is it doesn't seem like there's much packaging in there at all, and also there's no return address. I feel like they sent an email to the local AT&T store, told the guys just get this phone, put it in a box, deliver it to his house. So we're gonna see. But hey, let's see if I can do this one hand. Kinda broke it through it. You know what? I can probably just rip it now. Oh, amazing unboxing. Let's flip that around so you can't see. I think it has a little label. You see at top. I'm flipping it over so you don't really get my address. But here it is. So, I'm going to put this down for a second. We'll see closely. Yeah, so there it is. There's the Google Pixel 6 right there. No padding whatsoever. So I hope it's in good shape. All right, now that this unnecessary big box is away, we can look at the phone, and I can put this down and stop going crazily. All right, so cardboard box, basic taped side here, hashtag Team Pixel. I had a Pixel 4a before it was taken away, and that sounds very weird saying it as a 36-year-old, but things happen. Got nice little pull tabs right here, so I don't have to cut into it. So I'm gonna open this up right here. Let's see what's in the box. Do we have any Pixel 6, 5G mm and sub 6.4 inches, 128 gigabytes, Stormy Black. For someone like me, 128 gigabytes is more than enough. I don't really keep a lot of apps on my phone. I don't really keep a lot of things on my phone. Ever since I got one 16, I had a black StarTAC flip Motorola. I think it switched over to Motorola flip phone, which all the bad guys used in the movies back then, which made me look cool. But all right, here it is. I open it up, and there's the new camera right there. A little pull tab made that easy. I'm gonna put this to the side for a second and see what else is in the box. All right, so I have a USB-C to USB-C charge cable. Then that's a little strange because here we have a USB Type A port, USB-C, but it's USB-C to USB-C. No charger in the box. I'm going to assume this is documentation, which is getting smaller and smaller. And I heard that online, various places, that they don't accept certain chargers these days. All right, so just to explain how to configure my phone. I mean, I could probably figure it out in Spanish, but best to look at English first. Yeah, seems very simple. SIM card tray, power button, volume up and down, fingerprint lock, USB-C port. Oh, ooh, I now have a problem. I hope the SIM card is in there. I really do. Let's check that out. That might be a big problem because usually when you go to a store, pull this off. Ooh, that's nice. I'm actually surprised it's this big. That's a lot bigger than I'm used to. All right, so I'm gonna see if there's a SIM card in here. Oh, good. Oh, thank God. Like I said, they were expecting me to use my old SIM card. Oh, that would have been a problem. All right, so the first thing, okay, it has like a glass finish across, all black. I don't mind all black. I prefer it actually. I'll throw like a D-brand skin or something on it. But here's the camera notch, which I expect to be different. It's bigger. It's a lot bigger. I don't typically like big phones, even though I have big hands. I don't want them to be intrusive in my life. And this is it's intriguing because I'm going to scratch this up. I don't typically use cases because there's a Neil deGrasse Tyson video about how he shows like how he plays with it in his fingers to make sure he can keep balance and everything. And typically it's never in a position that it will drop. My Pixel 4a was the first phone I broke because I accidentally dropped it face down on concrete and it barely cracked. Oh my God. Right, so at this point in the video, someone disrupted as I was unboxing, and it's an unboxing video, so you can't really, edit and do it again. So yeah, this video is already ridiculous. It's gonna get more ridiculous. And I know I'm looking at the screen instead of the camera, but hey, whatever. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. All right, I'm gonna leave that in there. That's someone trying to talk to me. All right, so looking at it, I'm definitely concerned about a non-fingerprint. Like, that was so easy to do because I would hold it like this. I would scroll and everything up and down, type like that, but I would always have my index finger so I could open up the phone. So let's turn it on. There we go. Ooh, that's different for me. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. That's intriguing. I'll see what that's like. But this is definitely heftier. And I know that they have a bigger battery. They got the Tensor chip in there. I don't have all the specs, but I don't really care. You know what? I'm a person who does not need a flagship phone at all. I barely use my phone. So I think this is going to go through stuff. Yeah, I don't really use it. I don't need to spend a lot of money on a phone. Is it durable? Does it make calls? Can I access the internet when I need it? All right, look at this Pokemon card as I'm typing in stuff. Yeah, that's a sweet Japanese 25th anniversary card. Boom. Okay, so it's getting ready. It's logged into the Wi-Fi. It looks like that, it's connected. It needs to activate. Oh, it's very glossy. It's already got all these fingerprints on them. I don't know if I can show. No, I'm not really. But I am greasing this thing up. So as you can see, it's going to take a few minutes. I mean, this is, I kind of just want to see, like, just to flip around, not really do much, just to see what the screen looks like. I'll do a second video where after I've used it for a little bit, that, what's it like in day to day. But honestly, if most people do, So this is going to take a while. This is going to take a long, long while. So, you know what? I'm not going to waste anyone's time, but that's my initial idea is, you know, it looks very pretty. It's getting all smudged up already because it's glass. I don't know how I'm going to adjust to having a fingerprint on the side. Log into Google. Like, I'm pretty sure it's right here on the power button. I don't think I'm going to be able, I think I'm just going to turn it off. I feel like also that I'm going to use the passcode a lot. Right now, I haven't really looked at the screen. I mean, I can show you another Pokemon card as I log in. There's another Pokemon card. Woo! Yay! Yay, Pokemon! Gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. Yeah, so let me log in. Let's try to see just maybe how long it takes. Okay, yes, I'm in. I agree. All the nonsense. Sorry, I didn't really want to let you see like my personal account. Yep, let's get that. All right, move that away. Okay, just sure. Restore everything. What else? Accept. Go away. Turn on. You know what? Who actually reads this stuff? Still look at that Pokemon card. I agree. Okay, so the fingerprint sensor is in the screen. And as you can see, oh, this is annoying. Oh, this is so annoying. I don't think I like this. I definitely prefer the old fingerprint, at least the setup. Boom. Hey, here's another one. Oh, I even failed. Wow. This is really, really annoying. I do not like this. Did not expect that. Okay, finally got one. I'm not doing the next one. Leave and get reminder. Let's get... Okay, cool. Getting the phone ready. Let's get that. I've used a Google phone before. All right, swipe. There we go. Oh, there's my dog. Okay. And everything's downloading. Oh, that's a lot faster. It's a lot brighter. Honestly, this is not my old home screen. So that's going to be an issue. Like, everything is all over the place. I don't understand why. But, you know what? I'm going to test it out. move everything around, and hopefully it's good, and I can set the biometrics for everything. I can, attach my watch, but that is the Google Pixel 6. So yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed. I hope to do more content like this, especially since I'll be testing this out a lot and talking about it. But yeah, that is my new phone. So hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, get notifications if you like Pokemon codes, if you like gameplay, and hopefully I get to do more tech videos. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.